Good evening, sir. I'm Rebel de Villegas. My presentation for today is operating system. Windows 10 versus Windows 11. Top 5 common issues and how to resolve then many of the common issues in Windows 10 and Windows 11 are similar, and the troubleshooting steps are often the same. Number 1, sluggish performance or slow boot. Problem: the computers feel slow and startup times are long. Solution: disable unnecessary startup apps and settings. Apps startup maintain 15 to 20% drive space. Update drives, especially graphics and chipset. Upgrade from HDD to SSD for performance. Run virus and malware scans. Number 2, 100% disk usage in Task Manager. Problems: the Task Manager shows your disk usage is constantly at 100%, slowing down the entire systems. The solutions: temporarily disable service like Semmen, formerly software feeds in the service app. Run a dex check by opening command prompt as an administrator and typing chkey dsk c column slash f and rebooting. Check for any antivirus scans running in the background. Number 3, Windows update errors or getting stuck. Problem: update failed to install or get stuck at a certain percentage. Solution: run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and Settings, Update and Security. Troubleshoot Windows 10 or Settings System. Troubleshoot Windows 11. Use the System Files Checker and DISM tools by opening command prompt as an administrator and running sfc slash scannow and this m online clean up image restore health. Manually reset the Windows updates components. Number 4, blue screen or diff BSOD or unexpected restarts. Problem: your PC crashes and displays a blue screen with a staff code error message. Solutions: uninstall any new hardware you recently installed. Update or roll back recently installed drives, particularly for your graphics card, storage, or network adapter. Run a memory diagnostic test by typing mds charge exe into the run dialog win plus R. Number 5, start menu or taskbar not working. Problem: the start menu don't open or respond or the taskbar resist. Solution: restart the Windows Explorer process from the Task Manager, Control plus Shift plus ESC. Reveal the search index and settings, searching Windows Advanced Indexing options. If the issue persists, you may need to run a PowerShell command to re-register the Windows Shell components.